This is an overview for drivers to pick up and drop off waste using EPA's Waste Tracker mobile app. You can download the Waste Tracker app from your App Store. After signing in, search for the waste you want to pick up using the Waste Record ID. You'll now see the waste record information, including pickup address and waste receiver address. Enter details, including registration and VIN numbers of the vehicle you're using to collect the waste. You can add information about trailers here too. You can now proceed to pick up the waste. When you reach the collection point, enter information about the waste you're picking up. If the waste you're collecting doesn't match the waste record, you can enter information about that into Waste Tracker. Once you've entered all the information, click Submit, and the collection will now appear as complete in Waste Tracker. To drop off the waste, search for the waste record and scroll to the bottom. To complete the drop-off, select Drop Off Waste. For more information on how to use Waste Tracker, visit epa.vic.gov.au/waste tracker.